Are you building a new home or renovating your current space? Valor offers a suite of high-performance, zero-clearance gas fireplaces that can be installed just about anywhere. Zero-clearance gas fireplaces are designed to be installed almost directly against combustible materials, such as wood, or non-combustible materials such as tile or stone. Zero-clearance fireplaces don't require a traditional masonry chimney for venting and can be vented through the ceiling or through an exterior wall. Valor zero-clearance gas fireplaces are an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their space or replace an existing zero-clearance fireplace. Choose from a number of sophisticated fireplace designs to customize your Valor to suit your home's design needs. Our larger zero-clearance fireplaces use Valor's trademarked HeatShift technology, which transfers convective heat from the fireplace upwards through hidden ducts and directs it back into the room without the need for electricity or a fan. You can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing that surrounding walls, artwork, electronics, and construction materials stay cool and protected. Zero-clearance fireplaces can be adapted for outdoor living as well. Using our outdoor conversion kit, you can bring the comfort of your Valor gas fireplace outside, adding style and warmth to your outdoor space during those cool summer nights. Looking to heat other areas in your home? Our radiant gas fireplaces allow you to take advantage of zone heating to deliver radiant and convective warmth to the spaces you frequent the most. A great alternative to central heating. Upgrade your home's look and feel with one of our energy-efficient fireplaces and experience the value of Valor.